Hello students, today we have discussed the integrals convergence, right? Now, let us define integral is that minus 2 to 2 1 over x square dx. This is an improper integral of second type. Why? Because if the integral is the type of minus 2 to infinity fx dx type, it is an integer number but it is infinite, then improper integral of this is improper integral of first type, right? And this is improper integral of second type because it is improper because the function 1 over x square is discontinuous at x equals to 0. When you put x equals to 0, this goes to infinite, so it is improper integral of second type. Now there are two ways to do this problem. First, how do we prove that this integral is convergent or not? So first split it up in the integral at x equals to 0. Minus 2 to 2 1 over x square dx, as it is discontinuous at x equals to 0, so split it up in 2. Minus 2 to 0 1 over x square dx plus 0 to 2 1 over x square dx, right? As it is 0, so it goes to limit t tending to 0 minus, okay, because minus 2 to 2, this is the number line and this is the number line, and we have minus 2 and plus 2. So when we goes 0, this 0 is on form, limit of 0 is from 0 plus to 0 minus, right? So firstly we take minus 2 to 0, and when we take this limit of this t, so it goes to 0 minus, okay, minus 2 to 0 minus, then 1 over x square dx plus s to 2, s goes to 0 plus, and taking the integral of this is minus 1 over x minus 2 to t, put the limit of this goes to minus 1 over t minus 1 by 2 plus limit s tending to 0 plus 1 over s, both limit diverge, the integral is diverge. Now another way is that 1 over x square is an even function, so it is symmetric about x square, x equals to 0. So taking 0 to 2 1 over x square dx, taking the limit of this gives 2 minus 1 over x, limit is t to 2, put it minus 1 plus 2, limit t tending to 0 plus 1 over t, this goes to infinity, so it is diverged.